Nasboi for something before. But a little bird been tell me, now actually a producer tell me, say this guy, now music being number one love. Nasboi, I want to hear directly from you. What in that producer tell me, not true or first?
Not true, actually.
So that music be your first love?
Yes, so na music I think start my whole journey.
Now music is you first start with.
Funny thing, yeah, na music actually. So I've been doing this thing since like 2007. I grind music 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014.
How many years?
I come as at 2014.
Yes.
I got a record label deal.
Okay.
Omotola Jalade Kende.
Yes.
The actress, she been start a record label deal with me and some other guy named Navechi. So yeah, now so we take run for like 3 years. Then you can't get a CB now. 2017, 2018. I can't see this music won't stress me. So I can't see my guys. They can't say, "Oh boy, you funny." You should say, "You know, go."
wait. They rush me. I guys relax. Your guys can't tell you say, "Oh boy, you funny."
Well, me personally, I just know say the funny. I just.
So you be no say you funny before.
No, I know now. I just
that mic. I not get my mic right. I need to hear them clearly. I can hear you now. Cool.
So my guys then say, "Oh boy, you need to utilize this your funny way, funny."
Okay.
You understand?
Mm-hmm.
I can't say, me I no fit to because me I be very shy person. So I know sure seeing something where I go like this.
So you shy like this?
Very well.
Okay.
So that 2018, I no really listen. I say I beg.
You still there pursue the music?
Music now something where I been really love, and I feel like say I don't give them too much time to just leave them like that. But then I been come collect advice from one of my friends who tell me say, "Oh boy, see the way this thing they go. If you they pursue this thing forever, you know come. So no be everybody with talents go feed at the end of the day. So what you go do be saying, since you love entertainment so much,
yes,
do something else where feed they give you money where you they passionate about."
Who be this your friend?
Actually my best friend, his name na Kelvin.
Kelvin, where Kelvin day now?
Kelvin day Port Harcourt. So Kelvin now my producer at all those years when we the grind together.
Wow.
But at some point in tire, so he decided to face law when he study. So me I still the rigmarole for the entertainment. I can't say okay, wetin I like again. I can't say okay. Photography is something where I really like too.
You get all this talent. Photography again.
Yes, and photography is something where I really love. So I decided to do photography for 1 year.
Okay.
So from 2018, all those period I use them to learn photography so that I fulfill the shop.
Okay.
So I can't begin to make small money off photography. So even 2019, I can't talk say okay, this skit no be something where I feel like
this yesterday of 2019.
Yeah,
okay.
2019. So I can't say randomly I just sit down for moto. I can't mimic Davido. So my guy,
I know. You don't rush me enter there now. No wahala. Let's go.
My guy can't say, why this your voice? They sound like in voice. So they do them now. I can't say, yeah, I'm gonna try luck now.
Yes.
I can't do the first one. I see say 1 or 2 persons laugh. I say, no bad. By the time I try second, third, fourth, before I go no, I don't cast for the internet too. I say, oh yeah now. So the intention will make me start the whole mimicking Davido. Not because I want to do comedy. Now because of say I been want actually get to David to see my music. Yeah, so for me, no
you be one catch and make it see you.
Make it then when they invite me over, I just had everything planned in my head. No be like say I've been thinking it work.
Yes.
So my plan be say as I try out, this guy could just call me, then I go contact and say I
then if he sign you,
see my music, then I feel come wow with the music. So everything can say woman be the plan, God the plan in one.
Yes.
So everything can't change. Before you go know, everybody don't they mess with me as a comedian. So me too, as a bad sharp guy. I guess just keep the whole consistency. And again, I've been also realizing Nigerians in a place where they always tire for one thing. So I can't say if I do only this Davido thing, then go tire for me at some point. So I decided to switch quickly. And because of say during those school days, I've been get acting prowess.
Yes.
You understand? So the thing self carry me.
You get anything where you know if you do?
I know sabi dance.
They go learn them now. I know see some people get this they call them dancing dyslexia. That means they understand repetition of steps. Yeah, I think I get them, and I know so plenty people get them.
Yeah, I know good. I know I try, but I move body, but I know sabi dance.
So Nasboi, this is your journey.
Yeah.
It took you years to finally come where you there.
Yes, no cap.
Now, when we talk the skits and the comedy industry, you take over. You dey as I dey look you, I really want laugh, but I'm trying to hold myself. I dey remember some of your skits. I want to say this boy get out. I want laugh.
That kind of nonsense.
No, but I'm trying to. Well, I'm trying so hard. I try to, they professional with my work, but not green still. You see there at the back of my mind. Now you run along with all those things and continue to do what you know how to do best, and then you begin to make them inside the industry. But back of your mind, that talent, the particular one where you pursue, still there your mind. Tell me at what point, what did now bring us to this bus stop when you decide say it's time? I got to do this music at this time, and waiting give you that confidence. Say now you don't arrive at somewhere.
So personally, I don't did nurture this music as something I've been really want to do over time.
Yes.
Right. But I don't tell myself, I don't grow up to the point where I don't tell myself, see, no be do or die affair. You understand? If you know work, you know work. But then I still need people to know, say, I sabi sing.
You sabi sing.
You understand? But it's not a do or die affair. No be like, say, I must make them. No. I don't grow past that thing. You understand? Not just for people to know, say, he can actually sing.
Why you be they do your skits and your comedy and your acting and everything? You be they drop song, you they write songs?
No, I heard them. Like, I heard that particular part of me. Yeah. I been no one make people see them. I just want to make it come out. Like.
But in your private space?
Yeah, I was still working. So the working was not recording. Sometimes I did keep beats,
yes,
freestyle, I did improve myself so that go be like, say, when I put out music, the thing go come they sound like this one been the single. So I needed to sound fresh. So I've been the studio, right? I still the grind.
But you been get the opportunity to meet Davido.
Yeah, severally.
Yes, severally. Yeah. So tell me what transpired at this different occasion.
So the very first time when we meet, I been no really want to talk about music because I too they calculate. So I feel like say the internet don't see you as comedian. He himself don't see you as comedian. You go there very wrong for you to come sit down this guy. They can't tell and say he be musician. If he see you as clown, So I just say I would prefer to go walk. You understand? Make him see this guy actually sabi sing. Yeah. So now why I say make I just grind my grind.
Oh God! Somebody said, "Cheche, tell him that I say he's very stupid. I'm watching one of his." Should I tell you what is that?
No, it's fine. It's fine.
Yeah.
I don't notice a course, na compliment.
Na compliment, but I don't go talk about. Just read them out for him. Wow, Cheche, you have Nasboi. Yes, I have him. Somebody say you're my favorite skit maker, and I know his song, and I shout the day when I see say he drop the song. So many people they shout when they see say.
No surprise.
Now, looking at the music industry and the way things they happen, and then so many people. Some people feel like say some people don't get talents, but they are making it. But now God they bless, right? I want to make you tell me, aside from the known, I know Nigerians, they get like number 1 to number 4 where they know their name. If you say call the top artists, they call them. But I just want to make you tell me who you they get inspiration from. Like who be the person where be say, when you look this person, it give you strength when it comes to music. If you be Nigeria, Africa, international.
No, I don't go for Nigeria or Atu Baba.
Atu Baba.
Come rain, come sun. Atu Baba, they inspire my life. Then shout out to David too. David inspire me a lot. Now I won't really meet him that. So everybody they do great. I no go lie, but person where I know say right from when I be kid, I mess with him. You know, I not sure say you get any of Plantation Boys music where you go play.
No.
Sing along. Yeah, so now how much I've been love Two-Face.
You be there do voice training and everything.
Yeah, I do at some point. You
been the choir?
I know the choir actually.
Why know that? You be drummer boy?
I been no grow up as church boy because my papa na Muslim. So
okay.
Yeah.
So but for school you join drummer.
I no join anything, Now we be the bad guys for school. Now we be the social boys.
The social boys. And I don't be the fine boys for that clique too.
I didn't say that.
No, I'm saying that because now we see them. Some of our boyfriends now they did. All right. What will be your favorite meal?
I don't even know, man. But what you mean they do for me na plantain and eggs?
Plantain oshe.
These days I don't to chop them now. You don't tire me.
You know the tire person.
The tire. The way I chop that thing, you know, messy.
I serve for Bayelsa for 1 year. I dey chop plantain every day.
Bole,
yes, not be plantain. Now say they say copper, you go burn plantain. I say I dey chop them every, no tire me. All right, Cheche, this is my favorite skit maker in that your building right now. Okay, I hear you, Cheche. Oh, when is Nasboi coming to London? Nasboi has been to London?
Yeah, I have. I was supposed to have a gig in February. Now election make me shift them, but we go get dates sometime in
Whoa,
March.
election! What a patriotic. Will they come back? Lagos, make we hear the song once more. Then when I come back, we go also talk more things inside the building. And Cheche, open the phone line. I go try. But Mokura no use skits call cause you know you know what to do. You don't even know I stand up. Hey. Somebody just dim the lights now. Club does start. Lover Boy, now the name of the song. And I'm wondering who you be there talk to, who make you because be like say you they profess your love, they make her know. Say na so you be. Who be this girl?
Okay, so actually, I dey always tell people. Some people go say, guy, where did you get your inspiration for your skits? So I dey always talk to no be like sometimes no be person they inspire me.
Yeah.
Sometimes na story where you say if you tell me then they inspire me, or maybe something where I watch. So it doesn't have to be like my personal story.
Okay.
So now for just beautiful ladies out there, you understand? Where they all know say no be only skit I dey do.
You don't chop breakfast before?
Lunch and dinner.
Oh my goodness! What lunch? What dinner?
I swear. I mean with extra.
With dessert and coke.
Extra for every meal.
If you remember any particular one will really break you.
No. Play. I'm myself. I'm a very emotional person. So if you count like 4 times, they don't scatter me. I don't scatter people too. So.
Oh, so now one now.
I know what you know. Chacha, you never scatter person heart.
I don't scatter, but they never scatter my heart.
You must be a strong lady.
Best believe.
I know argue. People they like that.
Yes, but I don't do people, but they never do me.
No, I know. Your day of reckoning they come.
You know they come because if you like say, are they quick? Are they foresee things? I go just come on one leg.
You know they too easy.
Bro, this love thing there. This love thing. Okay, Cheche, that guy in the building is so talented. I know. We'll find out more things. Cheche, that guy is something that's so talented. Ask him who be a mentor. We don't ask him, you just listen. All right. Greetings to you and Nasboi in the building. I need your... okay, you will get his contacts, don't worry. Manager is here, you follow up. Cheche, ask him about Port Harcourt. Nasboi, they say they hide things about Port Harcourt for
No,
me.
I don't hide anything. No.
Tell me, they say your journey start from Port Harcourt and then you change your name.
Who be that again?
They don't tell me. They say you change your name.
No, that's a lie.
Okay.
So maybe the boy they vex them. My name has always been Nasiru.
Okay.
Yeah, that's my full name, Nasiru. So now there the Nasboi come from. I be actually Yoruba boy. We stay for Port Harcourt.
Yes.
Almost all my life. Then I school for Akwa Ibom. So
when you move come Lagos, why you decide to do so?
No, I always all through my journey. I always come Lagos. I don't enter Lagos since like 2007. All those times I go Alaba, who put my music there, all those things.
Wow, you go this journey.
Grand.
You dey hustle DJs them that year.
No.
DJ Indo, they show love. Mona, they show love. Cheche, wow, I love him so much. I'm watching you guys live. Thank you. We're so happy to hear Nasboi in the studio. He's very creative with his skits. I never knew he sings. Keep moving higher, bro. Your best is yet to come from St. Thomas.
Thank you, St. Thomas.
Cheche, please tell him that New York City awaits him and let me know when he's coming, okay? Manager, copy that. Good afternoon to you. Plenty talk here. Cheche, it's nice to listen to Nasboi on the radio. I'm a big fan and I love his skits. Boozo from UK. Cheche sending him love all the way from my gege. Yeah, he sees you.
Gege.
So Nasboi, tell me now. We get more things where they cook. We get collaborations coming, and because this music now go they run together with the skit business. Yes, tell me how easy it go be for you. Now.
It's not going to be easy, but then at the end of the day, everything na passion. So if I decide to do them, I go do them. It's not going to be easy. At least I know say the skit self go suffer small, but then I go still they make people happy because
I'm sure say manager go let you make you suffer.
No.
If they shoot for your dreams. No go camo. Tell me, between your mom and your dad, who be the biggest fan? Who be the person where be say really stand behind you for this?
Shout out to my dad. Don't go down, but then my both parents been supporting me. My mama opened studio for me 2006. Complete studio 2006. That
year. Bless her.
My popsy, we no get one problem with the whole music and everything. My parents support me through the journey. I no go lie. Awesome. Everything.
But now Vanessa be no believe in your dream.
No, you know I no go through all those person no believe in my dream. Even the girls who I've been dating that time,
they believe
support me. Yeah.
You go pay tithes now because they believe now. You go now reach out now. How your DM day?
You
Which one be here? You know to hear me clearly. I'm waiting. What did happen? Why you happen for that DM?
No, nothing. The DM just come. I clean DM.
Oh yeah, show me. Open now.
I know the fear now.
Open, show me.
Very clean, decent DM.
Show me.
Everywhere clean.
This thing clean like this. Not be love. Not be. You guys see that Valentine. Nice boy. Not be Valentine. Saturday see for them.
No. Anything Valentine. Congrats on your song that you drop on Valentine's Day.
Congrats on your song that you dropped
on Valentine's Day.
On Valentine's Day. I love that. But of course, we continue to move on top of the journey. Tell me exactly who make the beat for the song.
Yeah, the person who make this particular beat now, your ex. Now the guy we do.
Your ex.
Yeah. Otilo. Yeah.
Machilang. Oh
yeah,
wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, no wonder you're showing yourself. Your ex will greet you. No wonder now, but it's good one. You get a particular producer where they work with you, or they work with different person?
No, I did work with everybody where I feel actually work with. The second song where I could drop very soon. DJ Kublon.
Very soon.
Yeah, very soon. No space. So that's give on a headache.
It a pursue him. We not go get a headache. We go dance him. No stars will turn him to party. Your hair, you get a stylist for this hair.
No.
Tell me why this style.
Now maybe my personal stylist. I don't grow this type of hair for the longest.
You like him?
Like I could remember that I cut this particular one year ago, and I grew him again. So now my personal hair, like this na Nasboi.
This na Nasboi. I like him though.
Thank you.
Swag. You get anything where somebody if you do you, we go vex you so much, we go make you say, nah, I'm not go continue any friendship with this person.
A lot of things. I know be that kind of person we then go stress. I know they like me person.
You don't like stress.
Yeah, I easily move on from things. So the thing is, I always tell people say, you get wetin you go do me. We our friendship no supposed to continue no matter how much of.
Because no be mistake.
Yeah, even like no be if no be mistake, you get wetin you go do me. For example, I feel like say if I get girlfriend and you go my back, go to try to all those things we boys they do. Our friendship supposed to end. Yeah, our friendship supposed to end. I know they play with that kind of thing because I feel like say if you run out with my girlfriend, you go feel run out with my wife. Yeah, so I know they play with that type of thing. Money have you even consider yourself. See, they try to cheat me and I feel.
So if you cheat with your girlfriend, if you cheat with my
wife, yes.
Words on marble. I don't know before saying that like that.
Now so you be I won't be again.
But yes, if you not be like that,
now so you be no.
Okay, because, you be guy, I guys believe you, right?
No, so the truth is, as you do like this now, you get friend, you get close friend. So if you been get bobo that your friend go no say you actually love this bobo. You understand? So you imagine say the friend now they go try to do one or two things with the bobo after you don't make her understand say you love the bobo. You understand? So if she feel done with your bobo, she feel done with your husband now. And I feel say that kind of himself, I feel say if he still kill me too.
Or more don't rope and enter different things.
Yes,
but this is not cool. Say we hear. I hope say you don't go follow for people who go they do the stream farm thing. I hope say you don't hear about stream.
No.
You hear about them, but now if that's not when I hear them, now you hear them too.
Now about that time.
Now no, Ruga been come here, been ask them too. So, and I ask them, say this secret they will no. I hope say you don't follow for people where they do that.
No. Me I know deal. I did too genuine to do that kind of thing.
Yeah.
If I see 1,000 streams, I did grateful to all of them.
Awesome. Tell me how you did feel for the song. I hear the reception on social media platform and everything.
Yeah, it's been 90% love. Some people still cry over the fact say they think say this one will go do music in the live skit will take no. Blah, blah, blah. But anyway, Nigerians like to put someone in a box. Nigerians know they like make entertainers explode.
I like how aware you did.
Yeah, thank you. So Nigerians know they like make entertainers explode. That's a bad thing. If you go abroad, you go see say person fi sing, person fi act, person fi do a lot of
rap,
things.
Go do everything.
Understand? So for here, I go pepper them.
So you go pepper us with the wait.
I still be actor too. I don't do couple of movies and more movies to come.
You go still produce.
Then go verse well. I know it's everything.
What of the ladies? I hope so you go collaborate with them too.
Why not?
Who are we looking at?
I don't know. Mama Sima.
Secrets now.
No be like saying a secret.
No, let me go here.
No, like no be like say I don't get person where I go like where I don't collaborate.
Okay,
with
never
already.
get.
Yeah, I never collaborate with.
But who be your two favorite?
That's
what. Who be your two favorite?
No. Tiwa Savage.
Okay.
Tiwa Savage does it for me.
Okay.
You understand?
And
this thing hard.
You don't add anything.
No, it hard because I never actually pay attention to saying who be my favorite female singer. I never ever pay attention.
Top of your mind, just mention.
Top of my mind.
Yes,
okay.
Because you the what they see. Now they meet.
Okay. So Tiwa does it for me.
Yes.
And right now, if I leave Thames, the world will rest for me.
That's what I'm saying. that kind of thing. So we await more from the music. Yeah, for people where they say that they vex, you say they leave skits, and but you talk somebody say you say skits could suffer. What do you mean by that?
So what I'm saying in essence is, say my production rates go dey divided. You understand? Before, the only thing you had to do na skits. I dey give you skit back to back. But this time around, some people don't really understand how this thing they work. Even the skits they give back to back, no easy. You understand? If I tell you, say I don't get too many mental health issues because of this skit thing, you go believe. So because you go want rejuvenate, you go want do new skits, and some people want to laugh. They don't know the process. They don't know wetin we dey do, how we dey think, the depression where we dey make people laugh. I can say that in a long time, I know they happy reach the people where they happy when they see my videos.
Boss, so I get you.
Yeah, easy to do them back to back. So personally too, if I see way to chill, I for no mind.
You're such a cool guy. Now, actually, my first time to get to even see you, and then I've been seeing you far, but to be in close contact and also get to talk to you. I love your mind. I love how you reason things.
Thank you.
Well done.
Thank you.
And more to come. Superstar DJ Indo, I know you love him already. This one, you go just.
Do you want to finish me?
Yes, you want to finish you. You feel that vibe, right? Okay, like guys, so you go get the song, get to stream, show the boys some love. You want get organic this thing.
Yes,
they do stream. I'm not talking it. All right, but when they go follow your social media platform, different places to get to know more.
Yeah, on Instagram now at I am Nasboi. I am Nasboi, the boy na BOI. On Twitter na the same thing. On Facebook, my name na Nasboi through NASBOI. Then for my song Loverboy, once you just search I'm Loverboy by Nasboi, you go see I'm on all platforms. Enjoy, make videos, tag me, I go repost. Thank you. No worries, kids go to drop and you go still be happy.
Somebody said I asked you how about your girlfriend as Valentine just finished.
Waiting be all this one. Waiting bring
I
this
know
kind
everyone understand. Waiting when they bring this kind of conversation. Stop. All right, but you get your PVC right?
Of course.
Oh come on, a full Nigeria. Oshe. All right, Lagos. Not that much we go fit take on top of the spotlight, but say you go fit catch the recap on our YouTube and our Facebook platform. All right.
Chook pounds. 95.1 Wazobia.